So class 2, this is part 3 for lesson number 6, that is Introduction to Paint. Alright, so open page number 59. Today we will do how to save an image or open an image. So saving image and opening image. So for this, let me show this to you practically so that it will be more clear to you then. Alright. So there are 4 steps to open a file or to save a file. Let's do it practically. Then it will be more easy to understand. Okay children, now let's see how we can save our image or how we can open our image. So suppose this is my drawing. Alright, now I want to save this drawing or I want to open this drawing. So first let's see how we can save this drawing. And children, while drawing your image, you must save it side by side for further use, so that you can use it in future if you want to look at your drawing or if you want to use it, so it is easily available in the computer. All right, so first let's see how we can save our drawing. So now this is my drawing. I want to save this drawing. How we can do this? Now see here, there is one button near home tab. This is our home tab, and there is one button, file button. As you can see, it is in blue color, this button. This is a file button. So whenever you want to save your file or whenever you want to open your file, the first step is to click on this file button like this. Keep your mouse pointer here like this and click on it. When you click on it, the second step is you will choose whether you want to save your image or whether you want to open your image. Right now, first we are learning that how can we save our image. So I will click on the save button. Alright, the first step is to click on file button, and then the menu will appear which is known as file menu. Alright, in this we will select the save option. So we will click on save option and the save as dialog box will appear like this. When I click on this save option button, see, save as dialog box appeared. Alright, the third step is we will give the name here. In file name, we will give the name to our drawing. Alright, any name of your choice. You can give your name as well. Like for example, I am giving a name of computer. Okay, so I want to save my drawing with the name computer. So I have written the name computer here. In file name, you will write the name of your drawing, of your choice. Alright, and the fourth and the last step, you will click on this save option. You will click on this save option or button. Alright, like this. Save. Now my drawing is saved with the name computer. Okay, so these are the 4 simple steps with which you can save your file. See, here it is coming. My name is coming on the top, computer. That means my file, my drawing is saved with the name computer. Alright, now you can close it. Okay, now next is how we can open a drawing. Like this you want to open your drawing. Again, you want to open your drawing. How will you open your drawing? Alright, for this we have to open a first Paint. Very simple. Open your Paint. Like this. Now I want to open my file. Now I don't want to save it. Now I want to open my file. So I saved my that drawing with the name computer. Now I want to open it. Again, you will follow the same step. The first step is same. The first step is you will click where? On file button. this file button. All right, click on file button. Now what you want to do, you want to open your file. So I will click on open, the second option, open. All right, click on it. See, the open dialog box appeared. When I click on save as dialog box appear. Now open dialog box appear. Now what you want to open? I want to open my drawing with the name computer. Now here you can see there is one file whose name is computer. So this is your file. So you will click on it. Simply you will click on it and then you will click on open. Click on open. Look at this. Let me zoom it for you. See. So this is your file. So there are very simple step, 4 step to open your drawing, or 4 step to save your drawing. All right, very easy, very simple. And children, one very important thing, like with the help of keyboard also you can save or open your drawing. There are some shortcuts. With the help of, by using those shortcuts, you can save or open your this drawing. All right, and what are those shortcuts? For save, you will press 2 keys together. For save, what will you press? You will press one is control key, this key, and one is save key. So both together you will press like this. With one finger this and with one finger this. When you press both the keys together, it will save your file. And similarly, if you want to open your file, then again you will press the same key, control key plus O. Here it is. So with one finger you will press this control key and with one finger you will press this O. If you press these 2 keys together, it will again open open dialog box will appear and then you can open your drawing. Okay. So it's very simple. So just try it by yourself. All right. So now let's move on to our book exercise and question answers, because we are done with this chapter. Now let's do our book exercise and question answers. Okay. So let's start with the book exercise. It's on page number 60, 61 and on 62. All right. So, and children, one very important thing, that you have to do your book exercise in your books and question answers in your notebooks. Please do not do your book exercise in your notebooks. All right, do the book exercise in your books only. Okay, so let's start. First A part, tick the correct answer. So the first one is, dash program is used to draw and color object. MS Paint. Second, dash tool is used to draw straight lines. Line tool. Third, dash contains all the tools for drawing. Toolbox. Fourth, which tool is used to write your name within a drawing? Text tool. All right, A, that is text tool. Now next B part, write the names of the following tools. Now there are some pictures given in your book. You have to write the name of those tools. All right, so first one is curve tool. Second is text tool. Third one is rounded rectangle tool. And the fourth one is polygon tool. This is also again very important. Now the C part, write T for true and F for false statement. The first one is you cannot type text in Paint program. False. We can type. Second, oval tool is used to delete a drawing. False. Polygon tool is used to draw triangles. True. Curve tool is used to draw straight lines. False. Next, E part, filling the blanks. Dash is present at the top of paint screen. Color box. So you have to write O, L, O and B, O, box. Dash is used to erase any drawing. Eraser tool. R, A, S, E and T, O, O. Eraser tool. Dash is used to draw wavy lines. Pencil tool. E-N-C-I-L-T-O-O. Pencil tool. Dash is used to make circles and ovals. Oval tool. V-A-L-T-O-O. Oval tool. Next, application based questions. Now there are two parts. So first one is, every time Rakhi draws something wrong in MS Paint, she is not able to delete it. Do you think she has forgotten a very important tool taught in the class? Help her to correct her drawing. Eraser tool. In MS Paint, Yash made a figure. Now he wants to add his name and class in the figure. As he doesn't know which tool he should use to do it, he needs your help. Help him by telling the tool name. Text tool. Okay, now next question answers. This you will do in your notebooks. So first one is, what is the use of shape group? It is used to draw different shapes like oval, triangle, etc. What is the use of fill with color tool? It is used to fill colors in our drawing. Now some extra question answer. This also you will do in your notebooks. Name the tool that is used to make a shape with any number of sides. Can we make triangle shape with this tool? So the answer is polygon tool. Yes, we can make triangle with this tool. Now next question is, write shortcut keys to save and open a paint drawing. So to open a paint drawing, Ctrl plus O, and to save a paint drawing, Ctrl plus S. They are the shortcut keys. Question number 3. What is a program window? Answer. It is a rectangular area surrounded by a frame. Okay. Now question number 4 is, write full form of MS Paint. So the full form of MS Paint is very easy. Microsoft Paint. Now question number 5, write the names of the following tools. Now this you will do in your notebook only. So like this you will draw the pictures also and you will write the names. Very easy. Okay. So after doing all this work, what you will do, you will learn it. Now we are done with this chapter. You have to complete this work in your notebooks also and in your books also, and afterwards you will learn it. All right. Thank you.